my name is Justin, and this is my video bike check. Okay, here's my bike right here. Start off with the front end. Got Colation Povah stem, Fit Blade light forks. Got the Aiken P light up in the front, not very light though. G Sport hub guard, shadow peg, lace to a Demolition Bulimia hub, lace to Primo spokes to a Hazard light, and got the volume venti bars to match my 781 frame. Let's go over here. Yeah. S&M railed seat, Federal seat clamp, Fit DL post or whatever it's called. Got Stricker PCs, hollow bites, Primo bottom bracket. That's all the cool kids running these days. Got Primo analog sprocket, ODI grips forever. Got another shadow peg. Got a Primo mix lace to Primo 7 series rim with Primo spokes. Another hub guard. And Zeppelin tire. And FSA headset. And I think that's it. Okay, that's my bike check. Like.
I'm just gonna 360.